You've been lied to. The products you're using to clean your car don't actually work.
Hey, yo, what the f? This car used to be expensive. It looks like hot garbage.
Now, the companies that make this swill and sell it to you are on my naughty list. You see, part of a proper maintenance routine is keeping your car in top physical condition. You want your car to look so good that you get the nod from other car enthusiasts. There is no better feeling in the world, but you gotta use the right stuff. This is Armor Shield 9 by AvalonKing. It's a ceramic coating, and it's basically a Christmas miracle in a bottle.
It's a Christmas motherfucking miracle.
This stuff is for the automotive obsessed. It's for the people who like to change their own oil. It's for the people that like to drive stick just to row through the gears. It's for the people that wash their cars more than they wash themselves. It's even for the people who cried at the end of Fast 7. So what is ceramic coating, you might ask? Well, it's liquid silicon dioxide, quartz, glass. It's super hydrophobic, meaning water doesn't stick around. It also makes your paint look super duper glossy.
Glow south, boss.
This is not your granddaddy's old school car wax. This is some high-tech stuff. What would you rather have protecting your car? A liquid nano force field developed by NASA? Or some chunky, pasty tree juice that an old guy uses on his Plymouth Prowler?
Okay, Boomer. Kobe.
Thousands and thousands of car enthusiasts already made their car look better than yours. So get with the program. Head to AvalonKing.com right now and get your bottle of Armor Shield 9.
Hey, order confirmed.
It's time to ditch the wax. It's time to ditch the sealant. It's time to ditch the detail spray. It's time to coat your car with Armor Shield 9 by AvalonKing. Get it for yourself. Get it as a gift. I don't care.
Just buy it.
Just buy it.